Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find attractions in the Ceasar's rewards application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the middle you will find the do and see section. Press on it and you can see right now we are in the dining section up there, and if you swipe a little bit to the right you can see the attractions section. You can just press on it and you can see here all the attractions here. You can check out any one of them if you click on it, and you can see the exact time basically and what the attraction is about, and you can even see it in the Google Maps, basically the location where it is. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.